Imagine traveling in space at the speed of light. Sounds like science fiction, but scientists are now building an engine that will outpace light. Today, we will learn about the new generation of spaceships. Did you know that it currently takes 7 months to travel to Mars? But with this new technology, it will only take a few weeks. How is this possible? Let's find out about this revolutionary invention. NASA and SpaceX are working on warp drive technology. This technology bends space-time itself. Sounds incredible, but it's based on Einstein's theory of relativity. The new generation of spaceship engines is called the Alcubierre drive. It compresses the space in front of the spaceship and expands the space behind it. As a result, the spaceship can travel faster than light. When do you think this will become a reality? Scientists say we will see the first prototypes in the next 20 to 30 years. It is possible in our lifetime, but this requires a huge amount of energy. Scientists have calculated that it would require almost the same amount of energy as the entire sun. So, is it impossible? No, absolutely not. Listen to why. In 2021, a scientist named Daryl Bobrick discovered a way to reduce this amount of energy. Now it's possible with just the power of a large planet. This is a huge breakthrough. If you want to learn more about this amazing space technology, subscribe to the channel now. You'll get new information in every video. Let the subscribe button turn red when you click. Now, let's find out how this engine works. The warp drive doesn't actually move the spaceship, but rather the space around the spaceship. It's a bit like a surfer riding a wave. Another technology in the new generation of spaceships is the ion drive. NASA's Dawn spacecraft successfully reached the asteroids Vesta and Ceres using this technology. It is the most efficient technology currently available. Xenon gas is used in ion drives. This gas is ionized and expelled at a very high speed. As a result, the spaceship accelerates slowly but over a long period of time. Xenon gas is used in ion drives. This gas is ionized and expelled at a very high speed. As a result, the spaceship accelerates slowly but over a long period of time. The third technology of the new generation of spaceships is the nuclear fusion rocket. It generates energy just like the sun. Imagine a mini sun in your spaceship. Nuclear fusion engines could reach Mars in just 3 months. That's less than half the time it takes today. And this technology could become a reality in the next decade. Which of these technologies do you think is the best? Each technology has its own advantages. Ion drive for efficiency, fusion rocket for speed, and warp drive for making the impossible possible. SpaceX's Starship will be the first step towards the next generation. It's fully reusable and can carry 100 passengers to Mars. Elon Musk says it will launch in 2026. But what is the biggest challenge for new generation spaceships? It is protecting astronauts from radiation. There's a lot of harmful radiation in space that is deadly to humans. Scientists have found a solution. They will use a magnetic shield that will act like Earth's magnetic field. It will deflect radiation away from the spaceship. The new generation of spaceships will have artificial gravity systems. The spaceships will spin and create centrifugal force. This will allow astronauts to walk just like on Earth. Do you want to know how much all this technology costs? Building a warp drive spaceship could cost $1 trillion, but it would be the largest investment in the history of human civilization. If you feel like you're learning something from this video right now, then click the like button and click the bell icon to keep notifications on so you don't miss any videos. Your support is our inspiration. Let's learn about solar sail technology. It's like a sailboat, but instead of wind, it uses sunlight pressure. It can propel a spaceship without fuel. Let's learn about solar sail technology. It's like a sailboat, but instead of wind, it uses sunlight pressure. It can propel a spaceship without fuel. Another exciting technology in the new generation of spaceships is laser propulsion. Here, powerful laser beams will be sent from Earth to push the spaceship. This can give speeds up to 20% of the speed of light. The breakthrough Starship project plans to use this technology to send a nano spacecraft to Proxima Centauri. It could reach there in just 20 years, where conventional technology would take 70,000 years. The breakthrough Starship project plans to use this technology to send a nano spacecraft to Proxima Centauri. It could reach there in just 20 years, where conventional technology would take 70,000 years. Advanced AI systems will be used in the new generation of spaceships. This AI will be able to operate, maintain, and troubleshoot spaceships on its own. Astronauts' work will be much easier. NASA is developing the Lunar Gateway space station. It will orbit the moon and serve as a base camp for deep space missions. It will launch in 2028. The new generation of spaceships will have 3D printing capabilities. Astronauts will be able to print parts, equipment, and even food themselves. This will make long-term missions much easier. Did you know that there are already 3D printers on the International Space Station? Astronauts are printing and testing different things there. It proves that manufacturing in space is possible. So far, we have learned a lot about the new generation of spaceships. If you like this information, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing information. The new generation of spaceships will also have a completely different design. Not as tall as conventional rockets, but more compact and efficient. It looks a lot like a spaceship from a science fiction movie. NASA's X-33 Venture Star project was one such design. Although the project has been discontinued, its concept is being used in new designs. Future spaceships will be even more advanced. Graphene and carbon nanotubes will be used in the new generation of spaceships. These materials are 200 times stronger than steel, but much lighter. This will greatly reduce the weight of the spaceships. When you think ordinary people will be able to go to space, the space tourism industry is growing rapidly. Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin have already taken tourists to space. Space tourism will become much more affordable in the next 10 years. Where it currently costs $25 to $50 million, the cost could drop to less than $1 million. Then many people will be able to go to space. An important aspect of the new generation of spaceships is sustainability. The new spaceships will be environmentally friendly and recyclable. This will make space exploration long-term and sustainable. SpaceX has developed a rapidly reusable rocket. The Falcon 9 rocket has been used more than 15 times. It has reduced costs by 90%. This is the model of the future. The new generation of spaceships will have advanced life support systems. It will be able to recycle water, oxygen, and even food. Astronauts will be able to stay in space for years. NASA's environmental control and life support systems already recycle 93% of the water on the ISS. This technology will be further improved on the next generation of spaceships. Which planet do you think we should colonize first? Most scientists think Mars is the best. It has an atmosphere and water ice have been found. With the help of a new generation of spaceships, we will be able to go not only to Mars, but also to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Europa and Enceladus have liquid water oceans where life could exist. Here's the truth. We're living in the golden age of space propulsion development. More money and brain power are focused on these engines than ever before. Both government agencies and private companies are competing. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others are already revolutionizing launch systems. The next generation will revolutionize deep space travel. We're talking missions to Jupiter's moons, Saturn's rings, and beyond our solar system. Some of these engines that leave light behind might seem impossible today. But remember, powered flight was impossible until Wright brothers. Moon landings were fantasy until Apollo 11. We make the impossible real. The students studying engineering today will build these next-generation spaceships tomorrow. They'll solve the problems we haven't figured out yet. Human ingenuity always finds a way. That's our superpower. Before we wrap up, I need you to do something for me. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible future of space travel, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss what's coming. These next-generation spaceships represent humanity's greatest adventure. We're not just exploring space. We're becoming a space-faring civilization. Every breakthrough brings us closer to the stars. Isn't that beautiful? So here's my final question for you. When the first antimatter engine or fusion rocket launches, will you be watching? Will you tell your grandchildren you witnessed the beginning of the interstellar age? I know I will. Thanks for joining me on this journey through next-generation spaceship technology. These engines that leave light behind aren't just dreams anymore. They're becoming reality. Subscribe, comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep looking up.